Bam! Is it ever nice out here? Jeez Louise. We're just taking a puppy for a walk. So nice out here. Get a good deep breath of fresh air. Wow! It's not lonely anymore because you're here with me. So if I go down hard, call 911, please. It's still really, really, really slippery. Hey, at least we'll maybe get a comedy show out of this. Come on, keep up. Stell's not home right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I don't even know what the temperature is. It feels great. The temperature is dangerous. You gotta go potty? Just walking and slipping and sliding, and puppy showing me where she wants to go potty. Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. I have no thoughts in my mind right now. Whoa! Whoa. Okay. I think walking on the street might be safer. There's a thought. So yeah, here I'm tasked with making content every day. It's got to be more than a short, even though I'm pretty short. I'm about 5'6.5". Thereabouts, whatever. Let's go. Come on. So yeah, and you know I'm starting to feel a lot less lonely because you're here. And Pugsy's here. This is dangerous and slippery and whoa, witness me. So I thought this would be easy. Just get on camera and start talking. I've never been more self-conscious than at this moment than I am now. Or never been more self-conscious at any moment than I am right now. Knowing that I'm gonna upload this and maybe 850 people see it and be like, what the fuck am I looking at? Good girl, do a potty. Looks like she's getting ready to do another dookie. I don't know. So we'll just have to wait and see. Well, good girl. She's taking a leak. Go girl, let's go. Come on. What's this? I have to come back out here and pick up all this trash. There's a bunch of garbage out here in the freaking school parking lot. It's Alex Taylor Elementary School. It's trash. What's with that? Oh no, come on. Come on. Oh, there's a fella just walking up with his dog. So, let's just time out. Hey, we'll talk later. Oh shit, you're not supposed to see me smoking. Oh yeah, look at these streets. Isn't that terrible? Like, good luck driving. Help push out. So far, only 2 people already, but that I think is too many. Stay safe, everyone. Love you.